I'm Mario, and welcome to Gear Vlogs. Early this week, YouTuber Alex Choi unveiled his third revision on his Lamborghini Huracan that he has dubbed the Unicorn, calling this version 3.0. As you can see, he basically had a exoskeleton custom made and installed onto the vehicle, and a few select parts removed, and added a bunch of aftermarket lighting systems that he is sponsored by a specific company. I don't recall the name. But my gripe with in this video, he makes a statement that I want to call, and we'll get into it. I'll show it to you now.
Keep in mind, this car is fully street legal. It is not a race car. This car will pass smog, will pass smog, will pass smog, will pass smog.
No, Alex, I don't think that twin turbo kit will pass smog in California. Unless you recently titled your Huracan in another state that has laxed vehicle inspections. I don't think so, in my opinion. And by looking at Sheepy's website, they make no mention that they have an EO number for their kits. In my opinion, if they do, I don't see them going through the trouble of certifying a
one-off project will pass smog, believe it or not. And it has a license plate, it is registered, which means I will be driving it around a lot.
Oh! 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 No! 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 No!
Well, I hear the brothers from Goon Squad have a well-done parts donor car. Hey, be sure to leave a comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe. Till then, see ya!